Again, another homework question from topic 5 talks about the sample standard deviation. All right, sample. Here are shopping times in minutes for a sample of 6 shoppers at a particular computer store. There's the number of minutes that are there. It says find the standard deviation of the sample of these shopping times. Run your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so first thing first, everybody, I just went over here, entered the data in column L. Here I put in the range, which is the max minus the min. You can see I just highlighted that data. You could include more or less very quickly and easily as you wanted to. All right, then I put in 2 different standard deviations, guys, 2 different ones I wanted to show you. The first one in blue is the population. Notice here it's stdev.p and it's 6.45. And the standard sample is stedv.s, and you can see that it is 7.07. It's slightly different. That's why I wanted to show you. It does make a difference if I'm using the standard deviation or the sample deviation. So make sure you check that out in the question as you're doing it to save you some time and energy, okay? That being said, what is the standard deviation? The standard deviation is the measure of dispersion. It tells you how far the data is dispersed, okay? From our group here, you can see we only have 5 numbers and they are dispersed, right? Quite widely, all the way from what? 23 to 39, right? Actually 20. I've got some different numbers over here. So 39, 20, 34, 23, 27, 31. So we go from 20 to 39, which is 19. So once again, the standard deviation is the measure of dispersion. Just a quick one here, guys. That is it. Catch you later.